Good morning, class. How are you today? That's good to hear. So before we will start our topic this morning, everybody let us all stand up for our prayer. Miss Amihan, can you please lead the prayer? You may now take your seats. Is there any absence, class? That's good to hear. Everybody kindly arrange your chairs and please pick up some pieces of papers under your seats. Class, what should a good and intelligent student do when the teacher is talking in front? That's right, and I am expecting that from you, class. Our previous discussion in Unit 3 is all about food chain. So class, is there any questions regarding that topic? If none, let us move on to our new discussion. Today, we will have a game. I will group the class into three. All you have to do is to identify what movie does each picture shows. The first group to raise their identity flag will be the first one to answer. Wrong answer means a chance for the other groups. And if you got the correct answer, I will put one popsicle on your group bucket. So let's proceed. So for the picture number 1, what movie is this? Yes, group number 1. Very good. It's Stork. How about this picture number 3? Yes, group number 2. Very good. It's Finding Nemo. How about this one? Yes, group number 3. Very good. It's Tarzan. This, give a hand for all the groups. So class, what do you observe on the pictures aside from the fact that they are from a movie? Yes, Marianne. That's right. Do you think species in each pictures live in a place where they really belong in order to survive? Okay, so today we'll tackle about biodiversity and its levels. Today, we will discuss about biodiversity and its levels. Based on the activity earlier, what do you think does biodiversity mean? Very good, Ayan. Class, we have three levels of biodiversity: the species diversity, genetic diversity, and ecological diversity. I have here some pictures and you're going to determine if what level of biodiversity does it refer. I will be the one to select from the class who will point out where it belongs. Are you ready, class? What level of diversity is this? Yes, Joshua. Very good. This one, Marikar. That's right. How about this one? Yes, Marie. Very good. Thus, species diversity refers to the variety of living species. Can you give me an example of species diversity? Very good, Marikar. Next is the genetic diversity. It refers to the variation of genes that exist within species. Now, who can give me an example of genetic diversity and why do you say so? Great idea, Francis. Lastly, we have ecological diversity. It refers to the diversity of natural communities and habitats of the organisms. For example, class, do monkeys, birds, and deer survive if they transperse in the midst of the ocean? Why? That's right, Princess. Can you give me an example of ecological diversity? Very good, Jonathan. Every living creatures play an important role in maintaining the balance of our environment. They lived according to their adaptation in order for each organism to survive. Now class, what do you observe on the picture in front? Very good, Joshua. What organisms did you find, class? That's right, Janine. Class, how do woodpecker, Philippine eagle and kingfishers related to each other? Yes, great idea, Ronel. When we say ecosystems, what does it mean, class? The picture depicts that ecosystem has a variety of organisms living on it. Class, I have here some materials that you are going to use for our next activity. With the same group again, all you have to do is to create an ideal habitat for Philippine biodiversity. I will give you 5 minutes to do it, and after that, you will be going to present it in front. Am I understood, class? Your works will be graded according to this rubric. For your assignment, in a one sheet of paper, write an essay about how to conserve the Philippine biodiversity. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot.